And mid 5750, get him a 6,000 hour hit, get him a 6, get him a 6, get him a 6, get him a 2, 52.
What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house. On my way to the auction to look at a couple cars that I really like, and one specifically, it's a 2009 Mercedes S550, one owner, and the car has 8,000 miles. Yes, 8,000 miles. Can you guys believe that? So I'm gonna go check it out and see what's really going on with that car, and if everything checks out, hopefully I'm gonna buy it, because that's a hell of a deal. 8,000 miles, I can't believe it. From the pictures, the car looks spotless, like the seats are practically brand new. I ran the Carfax, everything checks out. Last miles were reported 6,000. They did the service at the local dealer, so wow, super pumped about it. I can't wait to get there and check it out, and hopefully I'll buy it. So I'll take you guys with me and I'll show you the car. So yeah, I just arrived to AAA IAA auction. This is a brand new auction. They just start selling cars through IAA as well. So super pumped and excited to go inside, and I'll take you guys with me. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is. I see it. Super clean. So it looks like this side got damaged, but just the scrapes, nothing too serious. Let's check out the interior. For some reason it's locked. Let's go inside and try to get a key. But wow, this thing is spotless. So for some reason it's locked. We're gonna go to the office and try to get a key so we can take a look inside and check the oil and all that good stuff. So hopefully they're gonna be able to open it up for us, and we'll take a look. I just talked to the guy. He's gonna go get the keys and open it up for me so we can take a closer look. But it's kind of interesting damage to this car. Check it out. So yeah, it looks like it hit something, the wheel, and then the side got scraped. The barrel got broken. So not too bad. So yeah, somebody really wants this car. So what they did, they locked the car and probably took the keys. They can't find the keys. And also the car has 7,000 miles and they put 179,000 miles. So somebody really wants this car. Well, I'm gonna make them pay for it. If I'm not gonna get it, they're gonna pay a pretty dollar for this car. But this thing is spotless, like crazy clean. So yeah, something like this. So we're definitely gonna play on this bad boy. 8,000 miles. This is just crazy. Look how clean this thing is. Alright, if I buy that car, I'm gonna do a S63 AMG conversion on it, front bumper, rear side skirts, and also we'll put some 22-inch Vorsteiner wheels, and that thing's gonna look insane. And low miles, that's the beauty. We'll go to the shop and we'll wait till tomorrow's auction and we'll play online. I'm not gonna come here, I'm just gonna play on the computer and hopefully I'll buy it, but if not, I'm gonna make somebody pay top dollar for that car. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So we're back the following day. Yesterday we went to the auction, we looked at 3 cars. We really like them, so we're gonna play in them. The auction already started, so hopefully if everything goes well, we should be able to buy at least 2 cars. Now I'll show you guys live auction so you guys could see exactly how much we paid for the car. So we got 20 more cars to go and the Mercedes will start playing. Goes well, we should be able to have this Benz. That's gonna be a fun rebuild. Looking forward to it. And we're gonna make that car look candy. It's gonna be candy, 100% candy. So hopefully, I'm getting the heartbeat, the excitement in my stomach every single time. Bought so many cars, but still I get those butterflies in my stomach. We actually bought 1 car already, but I'm not gonna spoil the moment. You guys gonna have to stay tuned and wait for that car. It's from Denver, Colorado. So we should have that car probably within the next couple of weeks or so. So 19 more cars and you guys get to see the live auction.
But they didn't. You're gonna be a Mercedes Benzo now. And bid 5750, you're gonna be 6,000 hour here, you're gonna be 6, you're gonna be 250 here, you're gonna be 2 out 5, 7 out, you're gonna be 7,000. At 7 here, you're gonna get 7250, 75, 72 out, 75, 7750. I got somebody in the back there, 75, no 7750. I'm at 75, you get $8,000, 88, you're gonna get 88, how much 78, 78, sir? Now 79, the mystery bidder's in. That's 78 and 79, 79, $8,000, 81, 81, 1, you're gonna get 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, you're gonna get 82, 82, 82, 82, 82, 83. I'm at 82, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84. 85. 85, 86. It's counting down. 86, 3, 2, 1. So, 8,500.
Yes! Woo! We got the Mercedes, boys! We did it! Yes! Dude, 8,500 bucks, I stole it. I stole that car in my opinion. So after I'm done with it, oh man, that thing's gonna look insane. We're getting new bumpers, front and rear. We're doing a S63 AMG conversion, new wheels, gonna lower it, tint the windows. Man, this thing is gonna be, you guys will see it. I don't have to explain it, you guys gonna see it. Best car ever. So total comes out to $9,273. Don't mind this. This is for different car. Stay tuned for this car as well. It's coming very soon. That is it, guys. We're gonna get the truck, get the trailer, and head out and pick up the car. I just got my cashier's check, truck and trailer ready to go. We're gonna drive to LA and pick up the Mercedes. So I got the good old Tundra truck helping us out and our trailer. So we'll go pick up the car real quick. It's about 45 minutes away from us. So I'll see you guys at the auction. Arrived to the auction and we're gonna go and pay. So total came out $9,273. That's with the buyer fee, auction fee, do me sideways fee. So with all the fees, came out $9,273. So we're gonna go pay, load up the car, and head back to the shop. Paid for the car. I got the title and a vehicle pullout for the gate so they could release the car. And I gotta wear this. So we're gonna go inside, pick up the car, load it up, and secure it, and we're good to go. So this auction is a little bit different. I guess you go inside and you pick up the car. Usually they bring it to you, but this one I guess you drive inside. So I'm completely new to this auction, to this location, so I guess we'll find out in a second. Here you go, sir.
Okay. What number is it?
218, that black Mercedes. I need a forklift. 218. That black Mercedes, I need a forklift.
Oh, okay. I remember. Did you bought the same guy?
Yeah,
Bought it?
I bought it.
Oh, you was here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys didn't find the keys?
No. How much you pay?
8,500?
Not bad. It's a good deal.
Oh yeah, 8,000 miles, brand new car.
Yeah.
All right.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
This? Say hello.
What's up? How you doing?
I have a YouTube channel. You could see the whole rebuild of this car.
Man.
So smile.
What's up?
So yeah, let's go load up the car and hit the road.
Okay, why not, buddy?
He was pretty cool. At first he tripped out. He's like, what is that? I was like, it's just a little camera, you know. So yeah, this is completely different. You actually pull up to the car and then they'll load it up for you. So that's cool. And here is our baby car. Man, this thing is beautiful, my love. Super excited. Go take a look. Say hello to the camera. This is the best security guy ever.
Thanks, man.
If you guys want to buy cars, he'll take care of you.
Okay, why not?
Best security ever. So here's the Mercedes. And then can we put it forward? So the engine facing the forward?
Yeah, it should be able to do.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that on a YouTube or what?
Yeah, LNC. Look for LNC collision.
Damn.
And you'll be famous.
What?
Yeah, you're gonna be famous.
Damn. Oh, man. Alan, so when you gonna put this thing on?
Tuesday. Yep.
You gonna put me on that?
Yep. If you let me.
Why not, man?
Okay, there you go. You got it. That is it. We loaded the car. Underneath the car looks amazing, man. I'm so happy about this car. Oh man, I love this car. This is like my favorite S-Class they ever built. With 8,000 miles. Can you guys believe that? Wow. If you look underneath, everything is good. No frame damage, no nothing. Wow. This thing is amazing. Underneath, it's so clean. Nothing broken here. Wow, this thing is amazing. That's it. Mercedes is all secured and we're ready to head out back to the shop. We'll probably stop at the dealership because I still need to make a key, so that's gonna be a little pain in the butt, I'm not gonna lie. But everything's strapped and we're good to go. So I'll do a quick walk around, double check. So everything's tight up here. Same in the back. Boom. Same with this side. And then I also brought some wood with me so I could put it on the stand so the car is not sitting completely on the floor. But yeah, we're good to go, and I'll catch you guys later. And I met the best security guy ever. He was so cool to me. He said he actually gave me his personal cell phone. He said, next time you want to come look at the car, let me know. He's gonna help me out, start the car, whatever I need to do. He said, just call me and I'll hook you up. So that was really cool of him. So now I got a hookup at this auction. Just got to the local Mercedes dealership so we could make the key. So I'm gonna let you guys know what the process I gotta go through to make a key for this car. Hopefully it's gonna be an easy process, but I guess we'll see. You never know. This is first time I'm getting a key from Mercedes. Usually I always got keys for the car. So stay tuned, guys, I'll let you know. Easy and simple process. I just had to provide all the documents, the title, my dealer license, and driver's license, and that's it. They're gonna make the key. Plus my buddy works at the dealership, so it was like, bro, I got you, you know, type of a deal. So today is Thursday. They'll have the key on Monday. It takes 2 business days to get the key. So super pumped. Let's go to the shop. We'll remove the tire and see what's damaged on the suspension, so I could order the suspension control arms or whatever is damaged, and we could get the car on its feet and roll the car off the trailer. So for now the car's gonna sit on the trailer for a little bit, for a few days. But yeah, super pumped. Woo! So we disconnected the trailer, so it's gonna sit here till I get the new key, and I need a right side suspension, so I'm gonna try to find a used suspension and just change the whole suspension, and the car should be run and drive. So yeah, see the shock broke off, and the control arm is bented as well, but everything else looks pretty good. No other damages that I see. That's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 is gonna be super exciting. We're gonna get the keys, we're gonna open it up and check the miles and check everything. So super pumped and excited. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.